100 common English phrases used in restaurants. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? I'd like to make a reservation for two. I'd like to make a reservation for two. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? I'll have the steak, please. I'll have the steak, please. Can we have separate checks? Can we have separate checks? Is this vegetarian? Is this vegetarian? I'd like my steak medium rare. I'd like my steak medium rare. Can you make it without salt? Can you make it without salt? Do you have a kids menu? Do you have a kids menu? I'd like to start with a salad. I'd like to start with a salad. What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? Could we have some more bread? Could we have some more bread? I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Is service included? Is service included? Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? What's in this dish? What's in this dish? I'd like a refill, please. I'd like a refill, please. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? I'll have the same. I'll have the same. Can you bring me a fork, please? Can you bring me a fork, please? Is there a wait time for a table? Is there a wait time for a table? Do you have any vegan options? Do you have any vegan options? I'd like a side of fries. I'd like a side of fries. Can you split the bill? Can you split the bill? I'd like to change my order. I'd like to change my order. What are your dessert options? What are your dessert options? Can I have a doggy bag? Can I have a doggy bag? Is there a dress code? Is there a dress code? I'd like a booth, please. I'd like a booth, please. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Do you have gluten-free bread? Do you have gluten-free bread? Could you turn down the music? Could you turn down the music? Can I have some extra napkins? Can I have some extra napkins? Is there Wi-Fi available? Is there Wi-Fi available? I'll have a coffee with cream. I'll have a coffee with cream. What time do you close? What time do you close? Do you offer takeout? Do you offer takeout? I'm in a hurry. How long will it take? I'm in a hurry. How long will it take? Can I see the wine list? Can I see the wine list? Is there a restroom here? Is there a restroom here? I'd like to speak to the manager. I'd like to speak to the manager. Do you have any low-calorie options? Do you have any low-calorie options? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? I'll have the chicken, please. I'll have the chicken, please. Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks? Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks? Is it okay to sit here? Is it okay to sit here? I'd like a table for four. I'd like a table for four. Can you lower the air conditioning? Can you lower the air conditioning? What's the catch of the day? What's the catch of the day? Can you recommend a good wine? Can you recommend a good wine? Do you have free refills? Do you have free refills? I'm looking for something light. I'm looking for something light. Can we have some water for the table? Can we have some water for the table? Are there any nuts in this dish? Are there any nuts in this dish? I'd like to cancel my order. I'd like to cancel my order. Do you have a buffet option? Do you have a buffet option? I'll have a Coke, please. I'll have a Coke, please. Is there outdoor seating? Is there outdoor seating? I'd like to see the dessert menu. I'd like to see the dessert menu. Can you bring the check, please? Can you bring the check, please? What's your most popular dish? What's your most popular dish? Do you serve breakfast all day? Do you serve breakfast all day? I'd like extra cheese on my pizza. I'd like extra cheese on my pizza. Is there a children's play area? Is there a children's play area? Can I have my dressing on the side? Can I have my dressing on the side? How spicy is the curry? How spicy is the curry? What's the wait time for a table? What's the wait time for a table? Do you offer any discounts? Do you offer any discounts? Can I order a half portion? Can I order a half portion? I'd like to order for delivery. I'd like to order for delivery. Can you hold the onions? Can you hold the onions? Is there a corkage fee? Is there a corkage fee? I'd like a decaf coffee. I'd like a decaf coffee. Do you have any dairy-free options? Do you have any dairy-free options? Can we move to a quieter table? Can we move to a quieter table? I'd like to order dessert. I'd like to order dessert. Can I have a straw, please? Can I have a straw, please? I'd like my burger well done. I'd like my burger well done. Is there a vegetarian option for this dish? Is there a vegetarian option for this dish? Do you have any sugar-free drinks? Do you have any sugar-free drinks? Can I have some lemon for my water? Can I have some lemon for my water? I'd like to pay by card. I'd like to pay by card. Do you have any gluten-free desserts? Do you have any gluten-free desserts? What's your house specialty? What's your house specialty? Can we have a high chair for the baby? Can we have a high chair for the baby? I'd like to order an appetizer. I'd like to order an appetizer. Can you bring some ice, please? Can you bring some ice, please? Do you have any seasonal dishes? Do you have any seasonal dishes? I'd like a small portion, please. I'd like a small portion, please. Is the seafood fresh? Is the seafood fresh? Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Do you offer a tasting menu? Do you offer a tasting menu? I'd like my coffee black. I'd like my coffee black. Can you warm up the food, please? Can you warm up the food, please? Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service.